Auto Fanatic CT coming at you with another video. Good morning, everybody. You hear the birds chirping in the background, and we are ready for another video. First and foremost, we are creeping on that 600 subscribers. We're 4 away. I'm pretty excited about it. I can't even tell you, but either way, it's early in the morning. I want to give you guys a nice cold start on what a 2024 BMW M340 with the M Performance exhaust sounds like. Once again, it's been raining like crazy here in Long Island, and the weather's not been cooperating, but I wanted to, so please excuse the mess. But at the same time, it's an absolutely cold start right here for you. So let's just come around real quick, just so you guys can see. Underneath is what it looks like. Got the M Performance exhaust, and as you can see, the piping is incredible. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. So with that being said, let's take care of business. Got earbuds in, I apologize. Settles down nice. What you guys are seeing there, that smoke, that's condensation from the morning. Get my big shadow out of the way. Look at me. Auto Fanatic CT shadow. One side open. I know this side is closed for now. It's wonderful. I'm telling you, if you guys could do it, get the M Performance exhaust. It makes a huge difference. Oh my God. Jeez. You remember those, when you used to go to an amusement park when you were a kid and you want to sit on those like little cars and stuff that went in a circle, or the motorcycles, and they all had that crazy metallic paint and those weird horns that you could blare? That's what this paint reminds me of. I'm freaking loving it. Oh gosh. I'm telling you, great choice. It's like, the camera can't even pick it up. Oh my God, I can't wait for the, and then as you can hear, it quiets down nice. Nice little, as you can hear, some nice little rumbles. Anyways, guys, really appreciate you guys' support. Tell me what you guys think. Is it worth the money, the M Performance exhaust? Because I'm going to tell you what I think, and I say yes. But I also want to say this. If you can't, for whatever reason, get the M Performance exhaust, it's completely okay. The car will still sound amazing, will still sound great. Don't feel like you're missing out on a beautiful sounding car. The B58, it's naturally a great sounding car. This just accentuates everything. It amplifies everything. So again, I don't want you guys to get discouraged, because I know there's back orders and they're tough to get right now. But if you are able to get it and able to spec your car with the M Performance exhaust and have it on your window sticker, my suggestion, go for it, especially if you're leasing. Now, I want to remind you guys something. When you're leasing, there's something called basically you're residualizing your any parts you put on the vehicle. So you're only paying for a portion of it. So if you own the car for 3 years, and let's throw out the number, the M Performance exhaust is $2,500, you're only paying for a portion of owning that exhaust. You're not paying the whole $2,500. Just kind of keep that in mind too, while you're making your decisions and choices on what you should and shouldn't get. But if it means you're trying to, it's between certain packages and having the M Performance exhaust, and you're more along the lines of someone that likes to have something sportier, and you could do without maybe a nice interior trim or something like that, then I would say go for the exhaust, because the interior trim you can always do. I'm hearing people have just some trouble finding other people to actually, or shops install, and then when they do, they're trying to charge an arm and a leg because there is cutting that's involved. It's not a direct bolt on. You can't do that. So with that being said, keep that in mind. Do your research prior if you're not purchasing the car, the exhaust from the factory on the vehicle where it's installed at the port. So if you buy it on your own, you're paying the $2,500. Now you have to pay either a BMW dealership, if they even want to do it, over $200 an hour, or a local shop to do it. And now you have a huge stock exhaust that you're gonna have to find someone to either buy, or you have to put it away. So it's way easier to just get it done from the factory. With that being said, guys, this is incredible, beautiful, love it. Oh my God. Sorry about the sensor on the car. It keeps going on and off because I'm close to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's too early to basically be revving it up, and I don't want to do that, but I promise you on one video, guys, let me know the comments inside how give me some thumbs up, give me some subscriptions, give me some likes. It's free, it's easy, and it doesn't cost a thing, man, to subscribe to me. Let me know how excited you are to hear this thing rev up, baby. Let me know. It's coming soon. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much. We out.